2023 Adopt Me Series 2 or Wave 2 Ice Cream Parlor Core Figure Unboxing and Review.
Mission Collectors.
Mission Collectors here, and welcome back to another figure unboxing from the Adopt Me toy line. We have the Ice Cream Parlor featuring Elsa, the penguin, and yes, the ice cream shop from the game. And yes, pretty interesting to look at. Ooh. And let's open it. Here are all of the contents from the core figure set. This is obviously from Series 2. The other one from this wave is Dr. Hart Hospital. This is the last one we unboxed. And now, so let's look at our character. This is Elsa. The ice cream hair, which is very, very cool. It does come with an ice cream piece. Here's the parlor stand. You can you can put it here. It can be taken off. These cones do not come off. And yeah, it's just a small ice cream parlor. Let's just put the ice cream on our hand here. It is there. It is. Okay. The pet we have here is the King Penguin. The King Penguin, the one that sleds, ice skates around the rink, because inside the ice cream shop in Adopt Me, the game, there is a ice skating rink inside the ice cream shop. That's cool. And then we have this random goldfish. Okay. It's pretty much all there is to say here. I mean, there was nothing. Oh, well, we still got the task board to do, so let's get into that briefly. That's all there is to say, nothing much. Unlike, there's a lot more to do with this, and then this one, I do like the characters though, but yeah. Alright, let's get into the task board. They're respawning right now, but I don't know where they all went, so let's redeem this virtual item code for the ice cream cone hat. I believe it's a hat. And let's see what it looks like in your avatar in the game. Maybe I'll like it. Okay, I really like the details on the cone, but honestly, on the ice cream, I wish there was more detail on the ice cream, nor it melting more. I just want the melting ice cream to be more visible. So I don't really... it's not bad. But it's decent. It's a decent toy code. Alright, that is going to be it for this unboxing review. I still like the other one that had more interactability, but this is still a very cool set to look at. And the figures and the story and all that, pretty cool to look at. And that's all there is to say for the unboxing review, and I'm very satisfied with this review and how the toy and all the pieces came out. So, pretty good, I'd say. It's still worth the purchase. And yeah, that's going to be it, and I'll be hopefully unboxing more Adopt Me toys later on. Alright, that'll be it. Mission Collectors signing out. Please be sure to like and subscribe to see more unboxings for any toys. I'd be more than happy to look at. Thank you all. You guys are awesome, and Mission Collectors signing out. See you later.